In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix no sound in Microsoft Edge browser and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, if you go to the Microsoft Edge, whenever you are trying to play any kind of audio and video, if you're having the trouble with sound, this is what you have to do. So the first one is all about, you have to go over here, right click, and there is an option called mute tab. So right now this is not muted. Now if I play anything, I can hear the sound and audios as well as videos. I can play it, I can hear it. But for some users, if you right click over here, when you're checking it, it might be unmuted here. So if it is unmute, in the sense, it might be completely muted. So if you wanted to bring it back the sound, you have to just click over here so that it will be muted. Now as you can see, you'll be able to visible it. So you'll be able to hear the sound and all those things. So this is the first and foremost step you have to try or cross check. Next one is all about, you have to click on the three dot menu over here, and from here you have to navigate to the settings. Now from here we have to go to reset setting, and there is an option called reset settings to their default values and go for reset over here. And what happens is that will be created, and this is what you have to do as the second one. Third one is all about, you have to go over here, click on the right click over here and go to sound and click on open volume mixer. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the volume. Now over here, you have to either increase the sound over here or you have to decrease the sound. So make sure that it is not muted. If it is muted, you'll be having the trouble. So right now, when I cross check, I understood it is not muted. And also make sure the output device is selected properly. So if you have selected any wrong output device, we'll be having the trouble. So make sure that you select the right output device. And these are the 3 steps you need to cross check. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.